The Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA reports that they plan to share roads for motorcycle and bicycle lanes. MMDA Chairman Romando Artes said they are facing challenges such as a lack of personnel.
Unang-una po, hindi siya kakayanin ng existing bicycle lane dahil medyo makipot po yan at sa sobrang dami po. Kasama rin po dyan na inaaral yung optional dahil nga po sa sobrang dami at kung hindi po kasya dito sa bicycle lane, papayagan natin pumasok. Yung iba manatili doon sa ibang linya. Pinag-aaralan din po namin na may oras yung papayagan silang pumasok dyan.
The MMDA also acknowledges the challenges it faces, such as a shortage of personnel and criticism from motorists. On August 29, they are scheduled to meet the cyclists and rider groups to solicit their feedback and suggestions regarding the proposed regulations. The MMDA has recorded a total of 208 violators, with 179 of them being motorcycle riders. The agency added that they will penalize riders without exception. It is expected that strict implementation of this will begin next week, and those who are caught violating will be fined 1,000 pesos. Chairman Artes also emphasized that there will be no exemptions from apprehension, and it won't be limited to just motorcycles.
Meron po kaming kuha ng kotse na pumapasok sa bike lane na amin pong hinuhuli. So, hindi po pwedeng sabihin na bisikleta or motorsiklo lamang yung amin pong hinuhuli. Even nga po illegal vendor na nasa bike lane.
Meanwhile, riders have different opinions about the matter.
Muntikan talaga ako tumilapon doon sa may gutter ng kasi nasagi yung ganito ko eh. Siya yung sumingit, natamaan niya ng manibela yung ganito ko, napaganon ako. Mabuti ka mo, nakatukod ka agad yung tuhod ko. Kung hindi nakatukod, tumba ako doon sa may mga kasunod na mga motor.
Okay lang na hindi kami dumaan doon, pero may time din talaga na wala naman nagbabike ng ganong oras eh. Sabihin natin gantong oras, sabihin natin 2 o'clock hanggang 3. Wala naman nagbabike dyan kasi sobrang init. Kami, halos 24 hours, nagmumotor kami.
Bernadette Tinoy, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people with glory to God.